Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look if your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro or the Mini or the Max come with pre-installed screen protector. So you have purchased a new iPhone, it is beautiful and expensive, but does it actually has a screen protector on it? Now at a very close inspection of the glass, right here I can see there is no screen protector on it at all. So if you look carefully, I have just opened up this device and you can see if there is a screen protector. Normally you can see there is an outline on the edge right here, and if I turn off the screen, you can see that quite clearly there are no screen protector on this device. So I guess the answer is no, there is no screen protector on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. If you want to protect the screen, you need to get a tempered glass. Now the iPhone 13 comes with ceramic display. Now it doesn't matter how strong it is, you are always going to prone to get hairline scratches over your screen. If you put it in your pocket, if it scratches against keys and other sharp objects in your pockets. So the best way to protect your iPhone screen is to get a good quality tempered glass for your device. Now I have found a really good tempered glass that you can get is the Spigen tempered glass. They're not expensive, for around $16 you can get it to protect your device. So yeah, if you want to protect your phone's display or the screen, make sure that you get yourself a screen protector, because it doesn't come pre-installed with a screen protector. And so that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.